Oh, yeah, you got that dance? Oh my god, no way.
Hey guys, Zach here with another video, and today I'm going to be going over how to get leaked Fortnite skins, like any skin you want in Fortnite. So before I start this video, there's 3 things I want to go over. So, number 1 is that this is not a hack. We're not hacking, it's coding in and replacing skins that you already have with skins that you may want. You can't use Number 2 is you can't use them in-game. It sucks, but you can still join lobbies, put backlinks on them, do dances, and you can show off to all your friends about what skin you have. Number 3 is you can't crossplay all of these skins. Like if I do this on PC, I can't do it on Xbox. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is go to Google and you're gonna want to search HXD. And you're gonna want to go to the first one made by Nexus. Click on it. It looks really shady, but it's not. They have a terrible website. You're going to want to go down to the versions, whatever Windows you're on. Windows, I guess. But, you're going to want to hit download page, and then you're going to select your language. I'm on English, so I'm going to do that. I don't know who's on German. But you're going to want to do download, and then it should download, and it's not a virus. I've already done it. It's safe. And then just follow the setup steps. It's pretty easy. Just hit download and then finish. So once you have that, you should have HSD installed. You want to open it up, and then it should open up. This will not be here. So what you're going to want to do is go to File, Open, and you're going to want to find your Epic Games folder. For me, I'm pretty sure I have it in the default location. So I have it on this PC, local disk, program files, and then Epic Games, Fortnite game, content, packs, and then you're going to come here, and then you're going to find the one that says pack chunk 0, and then there shouldn't be like an S1 or an S4. It should just straight up go to Windows. And then I have 2 backups just in case, it's probably good to have a backup. Just, I don't know. I haven't messed it up, so if you follow these steps, you shouldn't mess it up either. But you're going to want to open this .pack file, and then it should bring you to this. So once you open up this, it looks really overbearing, but it's actually pretty simple. You're going to want to go to Control F, and then I already did it because I was just setting this up for the tutorial, but usually it'll have forward on, and this is the most important step. This will all not work. You're gonna want to hit all. It should be on all of the time. So if it's on forward, it's gonna bring you some place where it's gonna be really confusing, and it's not gonna do the same things. So you just want to keep it on all. And so today in this video, we're gonna be switching the Rust Lord with the Galaxy skin. So the way this works, you can't just add the skin to your account. You can't just be okay, boom, Galaxy skin. You have to switch it with a skin. But the thing is, okay, so let me show you here. Each skin has a code name. So for the Rust Lord, its code name is Scavenger. And then down here, the Elite Agent, its code name is Tactical. The Reaper, code name Assassin. Which one's this one? The Moonwalker, Space, it all has a code name. So what you're going to want to do is hit Control F, and then make sure it's set on all, and you're going to type in Rust Lord, and then hit OK. And then, yeah, it'll bring you here, and basically, this here is the skin file, and it should have a CID, which is a character ID, a number, and then the Athena commando, and then M or F or male or female, and then Scavenger or whatever the code name is. So what you're going to want to do, this is for the Rust Lord, you'll want to copy it and go to the very end and hit Control C, and then we're going to go onto our desktop and we're going to hit New, and then we're going to do text document, and we're going to call it Fortnite or something. I'm going to call it Fortnite tutorial, because that's what I'm doing right now. So Fortnite tutorial, you have your texting, and you want to hit Control V. So there you have the copied ID of the Rust Lord. And then you want to hit Control F again, and then make sure it's on all, and we're going to search up the Galaxy skin. And so here we go. So the character ID for this is Celestial, and so we're going to take the Galaxy CID or character ID, and we're going to hit Control Copy and Control Paste. So this works for like any skin. Like if you can see, like they're like the same size. Like Celestial has the same amount of letters as Scavenger does. And basically to switch any skins, their like code name has to have the same amount of letters as like Scavenger and Celestial. Here, I'm going to show you this. I just went on and every Fortnite skin I had and every Fortnite skin that I wanted, I just copied the CID so I can see like what skins are like matched up and what skins I can swap. As you can see here, this is the lifeguard skin. I believe it's called the Sunstrider, and then that is the Skull Trooper. And if you can see, they have the same amount of characters, so you can actually switch it with the Skull Trooper if you want, and that's what I did. And so you just want to copy all of these CIDs, and then you can see like which ones you can switch. The only downside is if you can see like the Nutcracker and the Gingerbread Man, like the Merry Marauder, they have really long names, and there's not exactly some that have the same amount, so it's kind of disappointing. But you can still pretty easily get the Holiday Elf, and you can still get a lot of good skins, including some of the Christmas skins. So yeah, all right. So back to this. Now what you're gonna want to do is go to your text document, and we're gonna copy the one for the Galaxy skin. Or no, actually, we're gonna do this first. We're gonna copy the one for the Rust Lord skin, and we're gonna hit Control C. And then now we're like with the Galaxy skin, and then if you see this, it's highlighted, the Galaxy skin ID. I'm gonna hit Control V. So what we just did there is we essentially just like placed down the Rust Lord. So now whenever it loads up the game, it thinks the Galaxy skin is the Rust Lord. So now it says that I don't have the Rust Lord. And then if we go Control F, and we search Rust Lord, make sure it's on all. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to highlight Scavenger. Control D. So it's going to be Celestial, Control Copy, and then Control V. Okay, so what this did is it's going to say that we just swapped the Galaxy skin with the Rust Lord. So when it loads up the game, it's going to go through all of these files, and it's going to say, okay, the Rust Lord, and then it's going to see the Galaxy skin ID, and so it's going to load up the Galaxy skin. So now, when I go into my Fortnite account, I'm going to have the Galaxy skin. And again, this works for any skin that has the same amount of letters. So essentially, the people with more skins are going to be able to get like more like in-depth skins if they wanted to. Although there's a lot like the Sunstrider and the Rust Lord that are pretty like general skins that most people have that you can swap with. So yeah, I hope this tutorial helped you guys. I hope it helps you get your favorite skins. Maybe when like new skins come out, like for me tomorrow, the new League skins come out, you can get those earlier, and you can see like, hey, do I want to buy this or not? Like you can see it in game before anyone else. You can join people's lobbies and be like, hey dude, what's up? I got the Galaxy skin, and then people are always like, huh? So yeah, I hope this helped you guys, and I will see you guys next time.